Horns up and welcome to Headbanger's Kitchen. I'm a little under the weather, but I just could not wait. I had to make this video because I'm super excited, guys. I've been talking about it for over 2 months now, I think, and I can finally announce that my two new keto cookbooks are finally ready and available for purchase. So I've been talking about it for a while. I've got two new keto cookbooks. They are ebooks, so they are digital copies, and one of them is a 3 ingredient recipe book and the other one is a 5 ingredient recipe book. Each book has about 20 recipes and is priced at $20, so that's about $1 a recipe, which is not too bad if you ask me. This has all been done by me on my own, self-published through my merchandiser. I don't have a book deal with any fancy company, so I had to sort of, it is what it is, guys. I'm just going to be upfront with you. I had to price it at what it is, but having said that, I wanted to give you guys, because you guys have been supporting me for so long by watching my videos and supporting this channel. So the books are $15 each, and if you buy them both together, it's $20 for both. Till the 1st of Jan, guys. So till the 1st of Jan, it's going to be at this discounted price, so you can get both books for $20. That's over 40 recipes. These are super simple recipes. They're easy, like anyone can make them. You don't have to be a professional chef. You don't need any fancy ingredients. It's got all kinds of recipes, breakfast recipes, salads, soups, main courses, and it's not a lot of complicated stuff. So I hope you guys will check out the books. The links will be below in the video description box, and I hope you'll pick up a copy of the books. You can put it on your iPad or tablet and have it with you in the kitchen and read along. So yeah, I hope you guys will support Headbanger's Kitchen once again. Grab a copy of these books. There are a couple of Indian recipes in these books, but it's not focused on Indian recipes, because the idea was to just give you simple and easy keto recipes. The thing is, and I said this earlier as well, if these two books sell well, then I know that I can invest and work on a Indian focused keto cookbook, which is something I've been wanting to do since my last cookbook came out. But unfortunately, I don't think that cookbook sold very well because the publishers did not give me another deal after that. So generally, when books sell very well and there's lots of money to be made for publishers, they offer you a second book deal or something. But I guess my book did okay. I don't think it did too well, but nonetheless, I know you guys want an Indian keto cookbook. So if you guys are willing to pick up these cookbooks, and I can see that there's a market for what I'm doing with cookbooks, then I'll be more than happy to invest my own money and go the whole 9 yards and get a killer keto Indian cookbook ready. But till then, I do hope you enjoy these two cookbooks, 3 ingredient keto recipes and 5 ingredient keto recipes. I don't have much else to say right now. Maybe give you guys a little bit of a channel update. I've been posting a lot of sort of keto shorts recently, kind of answering basic keto questions. So if you guys have any basic keto questions that you want answered, you can leave them in the comments below, and the best questions I turn into videos. I'm also going to be working on a new Keto for Beginners series to release in January next year, and I don't know if I'll be posting too many recipe videos prior to that, but I will definitely keep the videos coming. So keep watching Headbanger's Kitchen, and yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. Thank you all for your support once again. I really hope you enjoyed these ebooks. It was a lot of fun to make them. It took a little longer than I expected, but I'm happy that they're finally out and you can grab your copy. Anyway, till the next episode, cheers and keep cooking. And guys, don't forget to hit the like button on this video for the YouTube algorithm so that it shows this video to more of my subscribers. So hit that like button, leave a comment below. It can be anything. It can even be hello, how are you? It doesn't matter. Just like the video and drop a comment so that YouTube knows to show it to more people.